Thank you, thank you.
Alright, what's up, guys?
Taking my pants off for this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh
It's a
my.
pants off, dance off in the war.
How did you know I had just pressed my record button?
Dude, change your mic. You have 50 seconds.
Well, I did. It's good.
Okay. Okay.
We're back here for another war. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's not my boy, Bisky.
And smell my butt, because it's like cum.
And smell.
Oh, God.
I was gonna say, we're not gonna do the same thing as last time? Nope, we're there. Alright.
Your farts smell like cum, Misky.
Oh. Wait, why do I have E on the war camp gate? I got out? Just kidding.
That would have been funny. I actually checked my map, too.
Yeah, I was like, wait a minute.
I like looked at it, I was like, that's a dot on this
W
side of
keying
the...
into the fucking fence.
I actually have the use button.
10 seconds, 10 seconds. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let them out first. Don't get fucking blasted, guys.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Can't get
Give
to
me
the
out
door.
the
Can't get to the
motherfucking
door. There we go. I'm in the door.
I'm totally body blocking at the
Let's
door.
see, Duke.
They're heavy bond side.
We're supposed to be bonside.
Yeah, they're oh, this is really laggy. I'm backing out of that for a second.
Bam, dead.
Oh, God, yeah.
Secret's over there.
Destroyed.
I gotta grab on you, Duke.
Oblivion down on you guys.
I'm fighting right here. I'm staying on my marker. I'm staying right here on my marker.
Okay, I am not with you.
I'm with you, Gruff.
I
Right
see.
behind
Oh,
you.
I see you. I see
Beyond
you.
me.
Okay.
Ream on them. Right here.
I'm still working this here.
Yep.
I'm grabbing on you, Gruff.
Yep, I just threw a grab. I should have called it. My bad.
It's okay.
Oblivion
Going
on you
for Mr.
guys.
Fail Bunny.
Push through slowly here.
Okay.
Bombs out on that grab.
Scream down.
Keep working left here.
Icing it. Trapping the
Awkward
pump.
Oblivion down.
Shocking them.
Making
Look
some
towards
good
top
progress.
point here.
Yep.
Look at Lay right here in front of
Hop on a
us.
grab right here.
Take her on, Duke.
Cleansing out of this here. Watch top of point though still. Keep working right.
Standing on point.
Help your teammates here.
Yep. I'm on right
Back
side
up.
of point. I'm right here.
They're all shocked.
Oh, God, I'm hurt. Oh, I need to back up.
Come on, cooldowns. Careful, Duke.
Plotting. We're going C
This is-
here.
Alright. I see you, Duke.
Left.
Yeah,
Lower.
yeah.
Lower, don't go ramparts.
I'm already here, homie. Let's go.
I see
I'm
right
going. I'm
behind you.
going. I'm a
I'm
little bit
going
behind you,
backside of
Duke.
Bond. So it's straight to C. Get ready to meet him on the road.
Occurred is bruising, so I'm just staying here, bro.
Scoots your
Yeah, that
first.
bot's
Just
really
be careful.
annoying.
You could fight that, Scoots and Mizky. Just stay close in between, okay?
Get him, Scoots. Get him.
Watch the right guys come back a little bit. Watch your back. Yeah, there you go, Mizky. Good shit.
Oh, I'm icing this
Not a whole lot
grab.
of us standing on
Just
point.
I need to turn
Let's get a
Seneca
sacred over
down.
there.
And the
Fast
boss.
tick.
There's only
C,
like
fast
3
tick
people
C.
on
Yeah.
C. We need to get on the point.
Yeah, fast tick C. If you guys are close to C, just back up, please. Maelstrom.
Sorry.
Fog
I had
back.
to
That's
turn that
enough.
down.
That's enough. Now hold the line. Now hold the line. Now hold the line.
Okay.
Board.
There you go.
I grabbed on it. and
Push
backed
through.
up.
You're good now. Push through.
Misty got sacred right here on the corner point. I got a guy.
Helio
on me.
next to us.
Yeah, I need
Step.
help. Thank you.
Working on it.
What gate are we on?
B.
Or B door.
B.
Oh, okay,
Fuck yeah.
Trying to get out.
You want to
Grab.
help me real
Side
quick, or
rail.
just go straight there?
No, just go straight B.
Okay.
Fuck
I'm
it.
coming. I'm behind. Sorry.
How are you guys on cleanse and shit?
I'm
Good
good.
enough.
Oh yeah, very good.
Honestly, I did not have to use one yet.
Yep.
Same.
I think I have.
Behind
these.
us, behind
Oh,
us, behind us.
I see.
Behind. 5 stack.
I see him.
I'm straight for me. I made a
This
clump.
ice motherfucker.
Just stay
I'm
close.
going
Look
sacred.
at their healer. Look at their healer.
Oh, shit.
On me, on me, on me, on me,
One
on
on me,
me.
on me, on me,
I'm
on me.
gonna die, dude.
Oh guys, I don't know what to do in this situation. Okay, let's go.
I'm on Mindy.
Engage, engage.
I'm gonna up.
Mindy,
up,
come back
up.
to me.
I know I'm working on it. I had to do something to get somewhere away because I was gonna die.
I'm gonna be.
Yuri's
Blockheads
down.
is in a grav. He's dead.
Fucking wrecked, bro.
This is our sacred right here.
Coming.
One on Mindy.
I don't have a barrel.
He wants us to go for the war horns primarily.
We need to get
I'm
the
gonna
fuck.
shoot the horns.
I'm attacking the door.
This
Yeah,
motherfucker's ice and netted.
yeah, he's gonna die here. He's dead.
Respawns are coming in. Yeah, they're doing those doors slowly before rotating.
Yeah.
Or they're not doing this door fast enough, so.
Well, I
They're
mean,
coming. They're coming. They might come out. Get
Yeah.
ready.
yeah.
I'm
careful. I
pathing
guess
them. Break that bitch.
the entire army was
Grab.
supposed to be staying over there. I guess.
Oh, we got a Dex behind us.
Remember to hold.
Dex is fucking
Remember to
me
hold
up.
your cleanse. Oh, Come
Wait.
closer to the door. Come closer
We're
to the
not
door.
supposed to be towards the door yet because they're trying to get the war
Oh,
horns first.
man.
We're not trying to push in at all. We actually rotated early. We weren't
Seneca's
supposed to
here?
rotate
What the
yet.
fuck?
Yeah, because
Yeah,
they
yeah.
just got all the war horns down from
Oh,
A.
we just hold the line though. We just hold the line. Just keep their attention here. If we
This is
don't keep
sacred
their
in there.
attention towards B, then they're gonna be coming out the other doors. We stay here.
Trying to get out.
On cooldowns.
If we can get in, we go
Let's go
top
for
left
it.
again, like we did last time. Remember?
Yeah.
We're supposed to push
Time's
in.
down. Scream on that
I
clump.
need to back out. I need to back out. I need to back
Yep.
out. I can't. I can't.
Use your
Y'all
storm
are blocking
force,
me.
Ken.
Well,
Dude.
me on me.
Oh,
They're
behind,
whole
behind,
stacking
behind.
me.
Big
A
stack
whole
behind
stack
us.
of me.
Y'all are literally
Did you get a
body
sacred?
stucking me.
Thank you guys.
Yep.
Sorry. Y'all was just body blocking me and I was
Blockheads again?
die.
Yep.
Where?
Beautiful. What is happening to
Screen.
my mouse right now?
Hella clean so far, guys. Keep it up.
Yep. Just keep it going. They're iced here.
I'm gonna tuck into that little corner spot.
I'm gonna grab
right
them
with you,
here in a
Duke.
second.
Is this here on you, Duke?
Oblivion down.
Grab
Screamed
him
him.
1 second.
I'm cleansing out of this.
Grab. Binding these guys right on me. Right here.
They're all rendered. They're all rendered.
We got bombed it.
Is it sacred in that?
Flooding down.
One cooldowns.
Oblivion down.
Get your toes on point if you guys can.
Yeah.
I'm
I'm in
stuck.
trouble. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble.
I'm getting hurt a little bit right
I'm
here.
I, I'm out. I'm out. I'm stuck. I'm body blocked. Mindy. Ooh. Sorry.
Oh, we got
I'm
some
close.
behind
I was
us.
in the wall. I couldn't see.
Where's my safe space? Pick them on cooldowns. Get a sacred.
Where's their healer? Who's their healer here?
Rufus
I'm
back.
dead.
Oh, I'm dead. Shit.
Back up. We lost bruisers.
Out. Look at
Run,
this
Seneca, run.
bitch over
15
here.
seconds.
All right. Here's what we're gonna do. Gruff and I are dead. You guys just take this slow.
What's those?
We're not gonna go left. They're having a hard time on that door on left. We're gonna go right, and we're gonna go up top and just work together. Okay?
Okay, what's the
Deck
respawn
above
timer?
us.
Please, Duke.
Alright, I'm coming in.
Timer.
We're gonna kill
What is-
shops here.
Timer.
Can you
Spawn-
please tell me the
spawn-
respawn timer?
Oh, just came up. I just
thank
literally
you.
just came up.
I asked like 3 times. I'm
I
sorry.
can't
Like,
hear
just
you, I'm
need
sorry.
An answer to a question.
I cannot hear you. I'm sorry.
That's not a good thing. You need to be able to hear
I'm
me.
trying to turn this up.
Ruff, you have a sacred all the way in the shit that I'm on cooldowns.
Yep.
I'm with you
Well, they're
guys.
iced.
Screened them.
Vines.
Splitting down.
They're grabbed, bro. Cleanse through that if you can.
Oblivion down.
Like, I can't take a fucking potion because this game sucks.
You have a sacred.
I'm gonna go right. Come in and go right.
That's what I was trying to do.
Heard.
1 second.
Abandon this and go right.
Go up. Go.
Yes, go. We go up. We go right here.
I'm going.
3
I'm
seconds.
staggering them.
I'm going. I'm running.
Oh,
Dead,
dead. Stuck
fuck.
behind.
I'm up top for now.
Let's
Yeah.
do
Just get out of there,
this.
Miski,
You
if you
can't get
can.
in, yeah.
I'm just gonna dump down on this door with them until you're back.
It's your timer, dude.
Just work the shops. Work the shops if you can.
Just guess you. Get the shops down now. They're respawning, go to the back door.
Yeah,
can't get to
watch
the door,
the
though.
respawns. Yep. Seneca Group 2 is to your right. We're working their respawns and shop.
Oh god, I have no Sam.
Trying to.
Okay, I'm gonna die.
You're
I
sacred,
can't
bro?
get out.
How you guys doing? I'm not hearing
I
any
don't know where you
comments.
guys are.
I'm
I
dead.
just-
I'm dead. I'm in a clump actually. Fuck.
I'm
Yeah.
at
They
the
deaded
door.
on us.
I'm on the side,
Okay.
you guys can see it. I'm on the side right here. I see you, Duke.
We're putting
I'm
pressure on
really
point
up top.
here.
I'm up top.
I'm working right
Going
side
to hell,
here.
I'm going to hell, I'm going to hell.
Yeah.
This is the hell.
I'm all gonna go to hell too.
Rufus is
I'm
up
right
here.
here.
Rufus is up here in hell.
And then
I got
I just
split
down.
on this door.
I see you guys.
I'm
I don't
coming.
know if you have a sacred in hell.
Right here.
Oh, we're
I'm on
taking
point, bro.
point
Start taking-
pressure.
You're right, watch your right side, watch your right side.
Lag, F.
Oh.
Oh, of
The
course.
sacred.
Fucking course.
Oh,
Sacred's
I'm
right
gonna
here.
die in this,
Sorry.
dude. There's too much on me. Where
Just
are y'all?
let it breathe a little bit. Let it breathe.
Yep, I'm stuck in too much shit.
I was up towards hell. Where are y'all?
Drives respawning
I'm
outside.
running to the top.
I was
I'm
trying to
not-
work the right side.
I'm running up top.
Instant respawn. Let's go.
Yeah,
Instant
regrouping.
respawn, yeah.
Let's
Stay
go,
alive,
let's go.
y'all.
Yep, yep.
Mindy, where are you going?
I'm up top.
Okay.
I'm
I
top
don't have
three.
any
No, I'm
fun
not. No, I'm
spots,
not. I'm
though.
actually dead as fuck. I can't get through. God damn it, dude. No, we can't get back through B. So I don't.
I'm gonna jump down because I need to go get pots. Give me 1 sec. Also, I was just getting dexed, so I'm gonna go get pots really quick. Do you give a sacred?
Oh god. Ow, ow, ow.
you.
Okay. I gotta back off. I gotta back
I'm
off.
actually healing y'all, but I
Nice,
really
okay.
need to go get
We're,
pots.
go.
Yep.
I'm backing
I'll
off of this.
I'm peppering it.
Gentle with it. I'm gonna run.
Yep.
The sacred. I'm going.
I'm working this here. They're real
Yep.
weak on the right
I
side.
gotta grab on
again.
you. I gotta grab on you.
I see you, I see you.
I see it. Silver. Silver's out. Look at Panzer is one of their healers right here. Their AoE healer. Misky, turn around. Misky, turn around. Look at me. Going more towards the right. Go towards the right side.
I'm in.
Oh wait, that's
Do
left.
you have a
isn't it?
beacon?
It's
Healer.
okay.
Nancy. Pants
We're left,
Nancy.
yeah.
Healer over
Pansy.
there.
Yeah, Pansy.
There's a sacred middle of the point.
I'm playing hell. I'm playing hell.
Okay, I am not quite
I
with
just
you. I'm
find
almost
stuff
dead.
hell.
Oh, fuck. Thank you, Mindy. Shit.
I got you.
Oh, God. I can't. I'm so fucking stuck against this point.
Do you have a sacred?
They're getting
9
really
seconds.
scared. They're collapsing on us like immediately.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we
they're
need
scared.
to. We need to pick a side.
I was trying to get to you,
Left
but I was
seems to be
surrounded.
easier than right.
Look at hell.
I was trying to
Waiting
get
for
to
you
you.
guys.
No.
I'm up top right now.
I'm on loading screen.
Yep,
Oh,
same.
God damn it. So am
There's a
I.
guy chasing me around. Shoots you in the middle still.
Got 3 kills right there. I don't know how.
Damn it.
I'm
4.
on top right now.
Hold your debts and shit. All right.
Yep,
Don't
yep.
use your debts, or don't use your
Alright.
vines. We're on it here. Don't use your shit yet.
I'm on backwood. I had to jump down.
I'm near hell. I'm near hell.
Yep, same.
I'm with you.
Oh,
I'm with
we're
you.
over at
I'm
60%.
hopping down to a corner at
Watch
hell.
the left side. I'm with you, Misky.
I'm gonna fucking tomb. Jumping out, potting. Hitting
Dude,
every pot I
careful with
have.
point.
Give a
Careful with
sacred,
point.
careful.
I can't heal. I can't heal. Oh, God.
No, they
I'm
fucking
dead.
crash point.
17 seconds.
They're
Got
wiping it.
wiped, yeah.
Where's the rest of our team, dude?
We got
They're
wiped.
diving too much.
Not
Yeah.
you guys. I'm talking about, like, everybody else. There's 50 people here.
Do you guys want me?
Careful.
I'm alive still.
Just keep
I see
eye on.
Misky.
Yeah,
I'm coming in.
I'm just continuing pressure on mid.
We're wiping
We're
them on
winning it.
point, yeah.
Yeah, we are.
It's
Yeah.
About to get it, we're about to get it. It's ours, it's
We
ours,
got
it's ours.
this GG.
Fuck yeah,
Yes.
baby.
Let's fucking
good
Oh,
shit.
God damn it. I'm on a loading
Oh, yeah.
screen.
Me
Fuck
too. I
this
was stuck on loading
game.
screen.
Fuck
sorry.
this game, bro.
I was on loading screen.
13-minute
I'm so
war.
mad.
I know.
It happens. I mean, I was staring at a loading
I'm
screen for
going
10
to
seconds.
see
Oh, I don't
that.
even know what my stats are. Fuck me, bro.
I was disconnected when when we won first light. I'm getting stats right now.
You should see my screen. All their spawns now coming in just now on fucking their front door. That's hilarious. I'm actually killing them in here. They're all dying. What?
Still, you're still going?
Yeah, they're dead. They're all just dead on their spawn.
Scoots, you did 66-1. 661k in
I did
19th
terrible.
place. 9 and 2.
Yeah, I didn't do good either.
Let's see.
I was
I
actually
was-
really low on our healers.
I was lagging so bad that whole war.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
real
lag was bad,
sleepy.
dude.
Wars like that are so boring when they're that quick, though. Like, I like a good fucking fight.
I know, I
Like,
could
my
have
damage
definitely
was not
gone
that
over a
high.
mill that time.
Right?
Bye, push and play. See ya.
I mean, pretty much nobody got over a mil.
Yeah,
I
I only
didn't
got
go over
400,000.
500K.
Nobody.
The highest heals was Mel's run with a 1.6 mil by a landslide. I did like 100k less than Arya.
Guys, look at this.
GG's. Great war, everybody. Good job. Good job listening to commands.
Oh, I want to go to Restless. I want to go get a picture. Let's fucking go, bro. And girls. Hello. Also girls. Goddamn. We ain't all boys.
I'm coming right now. Oh, yeah?
Oh no, please. Why?
Faded did 170k damage.
Who?
Faded.
Yeah, we
What?
gotta work on their group.
What the heck?